Morning to one and all. Today we are discussing assignment problem using branch and bound designing technique. In the assignment problem, so there are n jobs are given and n persons are given and cost of doing ith job, ith person on ith job is also given. Our aim is to find the best assignment to complete the task within a with optimal value, that means with minimum cost. So in the given problem, so I have considered four jobs: job 1, job 2, job 3, job 4, and there are four persons are there: A, B, C, D. If job 1 assigned to person A, the cost is 9. If job 2 assigned to person A, cost is 2. So like that, the various assignments is given in the given graph. So if we solve this problem using brute force designing technique, so initially no assignment done. So for job 1, what are the different ways are there? Job 1 can do A, job 1 can assign to person A, job 1 can assign to person B, job 1 can assign to person C, and job 1 can assign to person D. There are four different ways are there. So in branch and bound designing technique, we have to construct the solution space tree to find the optimal solution. So if job 1 is assigned to person A, so what are the remaining jobs are there? Job 2, job 3, job 4. So how many the remaining persons are B, C, D? If job 2 is assigned to B, so what are the remaining options are there? C and D persons, job 3 and 4. If job 3 is assigned to C, so what is the remaining assignment? Job job 4 and D person D. So this is one optimal solution. So like that, so we will get 24 solution, 4 jobs and 4 person assignment. So four jobs, so 24 solutions you will get. So using brute force designing technique is very difficult. 24 solutions, we have to find out which is the best solution to complete the task. So for n jobs, so we will get n factorial solution. So that means the time complexity of the is always grows factorially. So this problem, so we can solve using branch and bound designing technique. So in branch and bound designing technique, so you have to construct the state space tree. In a state space tree, for every node, we have to find the bounding value. So here lower bound value we are constructing. So the root node, so the lower bound value of node 0 is calculated by find the minimum of each row. First row minimum is 2, second row minimum is 3, third row minimum is 1, and fourth row minimum is 4. The sum of all these minimum value we are getting 10. So the lower bound value of root node is 10. So now what are the assignment? So person A can assign to job 1, can assign to job 2, can assign to job 3, can assign to job 4. There are four possibilities are there. That means there are four sub child nodes. So child node 1, child node 2, child node 3, child node 4. So if person A is assigned to job 1, what is the cost? 9. So delete the first row and first column. The first value is assigned. Job 1 person A is assigned to job 1. So what are the other assignments? Find the minimum value of remaining rows and remaining columns. The second row is 3, third row is 1, fourth row is 4. So total cost is 17. The lower bound value of node 1 is 7. If person A is assigned to job 2, the low child node 2. the person A is assigned to job 2. That means A is assigned to job 2. What is the cost? 2. So delete the first row and second column. So now find minimum value of remaining row. So the minimum value of second row is 3, third row is 1, fourth row is 4. So the cost is 10. The lower bound value of node 1, 2 is 10. So if person A is assigned to job 3, A is assigned to job 3, what is the cost? 7. So then find the minimum value of remaining rows. So delete the first row and third column, find the minimum value of remaining rows. So second row is 4, third row is 5, and fourth row is 4. So the cost is 20. Lower bound value of node 3 is 20. Similarly, if person A is assigned to job 4, so assigned to job 4, what is the cost? 8. Then delete the first row and fourth column. Find the minimum value of the remaining row. Second row is 3, third row is 1, fourth row is 6, and the cost of the overburn value of node 4 is 18. So among these four, which is the least cost lower bound, that is the node 2. So now job person A is assigned to job 2. What are the other possibility? The person B can assign to job 1, job or 4. So three more subtrees are generated for node 2. So the node 5. So person B is assigned to job 1, person A is assigned to job 2. The two assignments is done. So the lower value of 2, so two assignments is done, and so find the minimum value of remaining two rows 1 and 4. The cost is 13. Similarly, the person is assigned to job 3. So A is assigned to job 2, B is assigned to job 3. The minimum value of remaining rows 5 and 4, so that is 40. So the lower bound value of node 6 is 14. And similarly, if person B is assigned to job 4, so the 2 and 7 are fixed. The minimum value of remaining rows 1 and 7, so the lower bound value of node 7 is 17. Among all these nodes, which is minimum? The minimum is 13. You have to consider this node for the next expansion. So now what are the other persons are left? C and D. So the C can assign to job 3 or job 4. If C assigned to job 3, what are the remaining assignment? So D is assigned to job 4. In that case, the cost is 13. If C is assigned to job 4, so the remaining assignment is D is assigned to job 3. In that case, the cost is 25. So now, which is the least? 13 is the least. So there is no other cost. So this is the optimal solution. So what is the assignment? Final assignment. Person A is assigned to job 2. In that case, the cost is 2. Person B is assigned to job 1. The cost is 6. Person C is assigned to job 3. Cost is 1. Person D is assigned to job 4. The cost is 4. The total cost is 24 solution. So this assignment gives the minimum cost to complete the task.